In this exponential equation, you have to find the value of x when 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x equals to 1. As you can see, 3 to the power x is repeating here, so we can take 3 to the power x as common. So this simplifies to 3 to the power x bracket 1 from here plus 1 from here plus 1 from here, bracket close, equals to 1. This simplifies to 3 to the power x bracket 1 plus 1 is 3, bracket close, equals to 1. So this can be written as 3 to the power x bracket 3 to the power 1, bracket close, equals to 1. As you must know that n to the power 0 is equals to 1. So 3 to the power 0 is also equals to 1. Replace it here. So this simplifies to 3 to the power x multiply 3 to the power 1 equals to 3 to the power 0. As you know that x to the power a multiply x to the power b equals to x to the power a plus b. Use it here. So this simplifies to 3 to the power x plus 1 equals to 3 to the power 0. As you can see, both sides, as the base are same as 3, therefore their powers can be equated. So this equated to x plus 1 equals to 0. So x equals to minus 1. So for this problem, x equals to minus 1 is our answer.